Well, I got the hose back on and the clamps and everything tightened down. Just finished topping off the fuel, putting it back in because I had drained the whole tank. I siphoned it throughout the day. Took a little nap. So it equates to draining this specific 1976 Corvette Stingray. To drain the fuel tank, it takes about 2 naps if you're siphoning through a very small hose. So keep that in mind. Schedule your naps accordingly. Yeah, so everything's tightened down. It seems to be working. I'm gonna start the car. By seems to be working, I mean it's not leaking. So as you can see underneath here, we've got no leaks. I think there you can see the bottom of the hose right there where the clamp is holding on, and there's the fuel pump or condenser, whatever it is. I still got to do a little more research to figure out what that is, but yeah, so far so good. No leaks equals good to go. Signing off. Something pretty neat about these, the fuel tank gets replenished on the top of the car, which is pretty interesting. I don't really see that too often, but let's hop in and start it up. Alright, I gotta fix some stuff in here as well, like some wires dangling, and carpet's not right perfect, but let's hear how it starts. Right up. Got the top off. So that was because of trying to get in that spot. I couldn't really get in there too well. So yeah, I had to take the top off so I could hop in, because the door was actually tightly against, well, not tightly, but it would run right into the one of the poles that we have here holding up the building. So but yeah, here it is running good.